Da 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 dun 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 da 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 da. Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My dinner in the truck. Today we will spend a warm night with a stove in a cold truck. My stove. Are you ready? How are you today? I am fine, but this is so cold day. We're starting. I am preparing my table. This is a very practical table. It's cool. Oh. It is very cold. I am adjusting my stove. This will warm me up a lot. I know this is dangerous. Oh, very hot. Very hot, very. Where is my dinner? Then I have a delicious hot meal. I am very tired. Yeah. Yes. My menu for tonight is ready-made dish which is obtained by adding certain spices as a result of trying bulgur and cooking it. Is it consumed with some spice greens? It's a very delicious. You can also eat it with pomegranate syrup and hot sauce. It will be enjoyable. Now I will enjoy this delicious meal. I'm ready. Oh, very hot. Wow. Ready. And good night, my friends. Goodbye. Please don't forget subscribe. See you next videos. Okay. Look into my eyes, you will see. Take my time, take my life, and we will sacrifice. Don't tell me there's nothing I want more. You can't have it. It's nothing I want more. And know it's true. Everything I do, I do it for you. I know it's for you. Goodbye. Yeah.